This will be a very short video because lesson 35 is just more rough draft reports. You just need to pay particular attention because the very first one, 35.9, is an academic report, so it needs to be formatted as such. And 35.10 is a business report. So make sure that you follow the proper formatting for each of those reports. So all I'm going to go over with you is, and probably really don't need to, but is the proofreader's marks. Again, these are found on page 127 and these are new ones. SS was single space, DS means double space. If you've done a delete mark, this strike through, which means to take out true, and then you change your mind, you want to leave it there, you would put 4 dots underneath. That means like let it stand, leave it as it is. All right, if you circle something, that means to spell it out. So instead of putting the number 1, you're going to spell out the number 1. If you have the kind of open-ended rectangle and it's open on the left, this is saying move this to the right. Okay, it kind of makes sense because you're saying the beginning of the letter should be over to the right. So please send, they're saying move it to the right. That means probably add an indentation. Move it to the left is where the closed part of the rectangle is pointing left. And that means remove the extra spaces or remove the indent. Okay, if you have a squiggly underline, that means to bold something. If you have ITAL, that means to italicize that word that's underlined. So ITAL, italicize time. UL means to underline. Now the old, back when I took this, just an underline meant to underline. So now they're putting a U/L to underline whatever they have actually underlined. Then the circle with the arrow means to move. So in this, if you look on page, I'm just going to have you go to page 129. If you look at that, they're telling you they circled the rely on past experience paragraph, and they're saying move it to in front of the know what to expect paragraph. So here this is just moving a word, but you can move an entire line, you can move an entire paragraph. So that's what that circle with the arrow means. And that is pretty much all I'm going to go over with this particular lesson. So if you have any questions on what a proofreader mark means, give me a call and I'll try to help you through it. All right.